Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my intro for my project level up. So if you want to see what palette I'm going to be rolling in for my level 1, well then keep watching. We're going to jump right into it. My name is Marie and I am a beautiful mess. Here on my channel, I like to do a lot of project panning content, eyeshadow content, and really any other kind of makeup content that I can think of. So sit back, relax, and come on a magical makeup journey with me. Like I said, today's episode is going to be my introduction for my project level up. This project was created by Sophie Alexandra, and I'll put her channel in the description box down below. She usually comes out with an intro video, so if she's done one for 2024, I'll link that in the description box down below. If not, I'll link her last year's video in the description box down below, along with last year's community playlist. So if you want to join this project with us, feel free and you'll have all the information to do so. So in this project, there are 5 different levels. Level 1, you choose an eyeshadow palette, and some people are choosy about their eyeshadow palettes. I like to roll them in at random because that way I get challenged to use something that I may not have picked. So for your level 1 palette, you have to use every shade in the palette one time and hit one pan before you can move on. Level 2, you have to use every shadow in your palette twice and hit 2 pans before you move on and so forth for levels 3, 4, and 5. You can go up to level 6 after that, but I think the majority of people just toggle back down to level 1, and if I actually reached level 5, that is what I would do. So this is my Tiny Decisions app, what I also like to call the Wheel of Wonder. So let's spin the wheel and see what palette we get for the level 1 palette. I'm nervous. Let's see what we get. ColourPop High Tide. I think I know which one that is. I think I have that pulled for my wintry palettes. Let me pull that out and we'll see what she looks like. I just noticed I have to change the title on that Wheel of Wonder because it says Eyeshadow Palettes 2023. It should say Eyeshadow Palettes 2024. So this is indeed the palette that I thought it was, and I think this is going to be a great palette for my level 1. So this is the ColourPop High Tide palette. And I actually did have this pulled for winter because she blew. She very blew. I had this pulled because I thought this would be great to use in the winter. And now I'm actually really excited that this is going to be my level 1 palette for the year. There's definitely different tones of blues, different shades. Some of them are very green blue, very aqua. I love this light shade right here. And every time that I have dipped into this palette, I have absolutely loved it. So I cannot wait to get to know this palette a little bit more intimately. And I'll make sure I take pictures of the looks I do with it so that you can see what I create with it. How long will it take me to get through my level 1 palette? Tune in to the next update to see how far we've gotten. That's everything that I have for you today in this intro. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. You know I always love when you do. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. It lets YouTube know that you like my content and that other people with the same interests as you will like my content too. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everybody.